Hello, today I shall show you how to enable Windows Mobility Center in Windows 11. Step 1, open Registry Editor. Open the search menu and type Regedit and select Registry Editor from the search result. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes to continue. Step 2, back up your registry. Before making changes in the registry, it's highly recommended to create a backup. To do this, click on the File menu in the top left corner and choose Export. Choose a name for the file and save it to a location that's easy to access. If anything goes wrong, you can import this backup by selecting SIL, click Import, and navigating to the saved file. Step 3, create keys in the registry. In the registry editor, navigate to HKE_current_user, then software, then Microsoft, and then mobile PC. Right-click on the mobile PC folder, select New, and then choose Key. Name this key Mobility Centers. Step 4, add values to the keys. Under Adaptive Settings, right-click in the blank space on the right side, select New, then choose DWORD 32-bit value. Set name at skip battery, check double-click on it, set the value to 1, and click OK. Now go to Mobility Center and right-click in the blank area on the right side, select New, then choose DBoard 32-bit value and name it Run on Desktop. Double-click this and set its value to 1, then click OK. Close the registry editor and restart your computer to apply the changes. Once your computer has restarted, the Windows Mobility Center should be enabled. Open the Start menu, paste the file path provided in the description of the video into the search bar, and press Enter. This should open a folder with the executables for Mobility Center. I hope this tutorial helped you enable Windows Mobility Center on your system. If you need further assistance or have any questions, feel free to ask. See you in the next tutorial.